Question 36. Tom is an avid reader. What does avid mean? It means really enthusiastic. And that's put in there just to scare you a bit, because then that can throw it, even though it has nothing to do. You could just, with the question, it could just say, is a reader. But that just one word that you don't know can really sort of up the anxiety stakes. This is the number of pages in his last 7 books. Oh, he does like reading, doesn't he? There's numbers. What is the median? Now, the median is where you've got, it's an average, but it tells you that it will give you one number and it will say half the books have got more pages and half the books had fewer pages. So that's what we're finding is the middle one. So we need to put them in order and then find that middle one. Now, how many have we got? First of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That makes it a bit easier. So the middle one, do you agree, will be the 4th? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7. So it's the 4th one. So the first one is 42. And do you know what? I'm going to write a little 1, 2, because I think if I'm checking it. And then the next smallest, 3, 4. I'm going to keep going in case I've made a mistake. 5, 6, 7. So the median was 111. Ta-da!